Hey everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing another ButcherBox unboxing. And if you haven't heard of ButcherBox yet, ButcherBox is an amazing company that provides a meat subscription. So you can order meat and have it delivered straight to your door. And it is a subscription, so you join and you can set it up monthly, weekly, bi-weekly. There's lots of options, but it is an amazing company that offers 100% grass-fed beef, free-range organic chicken, humanely raised pork, and wild-caught seafood. So the quality of this meat is amazing. We absolutely love it. So I am going to put a link below with some details. I have some deals to offer you if you guys have not signed up for ButcherBox before and would like to try it out. So check out the information below in the comments of this video. And towards the end of this video, I will share with you more specifically what the deals are that I can offer, but that information will also be below if you don't want to stick around till the end of the video. Also, before I share with you the meat that we got in this box, I do want to give a quick shout out to all of you who have already subscribed through my link. Thank you so much. I would love to hear what experience you're having. Comment below or comment on one of my ButcherBox unboxing videos. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you're enjoying your order. I would absolutely love to hear from you guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's get into what we got in this latest box. I did already open it and kind of unbox it. This is just one of the top pieces of the packaging. I've done two other ButcherBox unboxings already, and I will link those either above or below, probably below for sure. If you want to check those out, I did those where I actually had the box up here and I showed you more of how it comes packaged, because I know if I was trying something out for the first time, I would want to know how it comes packaged, but I'm not going to go into that much detail in this one, so check one of those other ones out if you want to see that. So for this one, I'm just going to share with you what we got in this box. So currently we are doing the all beef box. I did also get a couple member deal add-ons, which we will go into, but for the basic or the main part of the subscription that I'm on, we get the all beef box. So in this one, let's pull out this first thing that we have. So these are flat iron steaks. And then next we have a grass-fed beef bottom round roast. It's a nice size roast. And then our grass-fed beef flank steak. And this is a boneless, so this is boneless. That's a nice size. Okay, and then grab these. Looks like we have stew meat. So you get 2 pounds of stew meat. Sometimes we get either stew meat, or once in a while we also will get steak tips, and you usually get 2 pounds too when that cut of meat is provided. And then we have 2 pounds of ground beef. I love their ground beef so much. I just love all their meat. Okay, so this is, go up just a little bit. So this is all of the beef in the basic subscription box, and we have ours set up to arrive bi-weekly. So every 2 weeks we get a box that has this much beef in it, and the price of the subscription box is $137. And then, like I said, there's going to be some deals that I can offer you for your first box. But the other thing I want to note, I have more meat in here. So we do get free ground beef, so we have a free ground beef for the life of our membership, and also free bacon for the life of our membership. So when those deals pop up, if you apply those to your box, you don't have to, unless you stop your subscription, you don't have to do anything, and you'll get them free on every box that you get. And so far in the life of our membership, we've added the free bacon for life and the free bacon for life and the free beef for life. Now, when those deals come around, you usually pay for it the first time, and then it's free every time after that. However, one of the deals that I can offer you today is actually free ground beef for life, for the life of your membership. So definitely a good time to subscribe. So then when I add in our freebies, this is what the amount of meat we get every time for that $137. And then the other cool thing about ButcherBox is they have add-ons. So you can add on, like you can add on extra ground beef or chicken or whatever you want. You can add on seafood, sausages. They have a lot of different options, but they also have member deals. And so I don't know how often they change. They definitely change. They rotate through different deals, but they have different cuts of meat, in all different, sometimes it's buy one, get one free. Sometimes it's they'll call it like a bundle or a blast, like a ground beef blast, where you just get like 10 pounds of ground beef for a certain price. So it's really fun to watch their deals and see what they have. So for this time, I just added three extras that were part of the member deals. And the first thing I added was a bone-in pork butt. So here is that. And this is a little over 5.5 pounds. And that was $28. So that was one of the member deals. And the reason I kind of went with this is because it does have the bone in, and I want to make some bone broth. And so I was specifically looking for something where we could eat the meat and then I could use the bones. So the other thing that I got was 2 racks of baby back ribs. And I'll also use these bones for bone broth. And these are full. The full rack. Can't even get them all the way in the camera. And these were $16 a piece. And so this one's 2 pounds. This one is 2.6 pounds. So those were the deals that I got. And now, real quick, before we get ready to wrap this up, I kind of wanted to make this one just short and sweet. But as I mentioned, I want to share specifically what the deal is that you can get if you sign up through my link. So as I briefly mentioned, if you sign up through my link, for now, this changes. I don't know when they will change this, but anytime in the near future, until they change it, you will get free ground beef for the life of your membership. So you'll get at least 2 pounds. So the free part is 2 pounds of ground beef. So in your first subscription box, you'll get that, and then every time after. The other ground beef that we got, it's because we're getting the all beef box. Sometimes you get it, sometimes you don't. And then the other thing I can offer you is $30 off. So the price that I mentioned, $137 for the base subscription, you would actually get your first box for $107. So I think that's an awesome deal to at least just try it out, see if it's something you will like. I will also quickly mention, we get the all beef box. That is not their only option. You can do beef and pork, you can do beef and chicken, you can do all beef, or you can do the variety that has pork, chicken, and beef in it. They do also have an option to go completely customizable, but it is a little bit more expensive. If you follow my link, it will take you to the website, whether you choose to officially sign up or not. You can browse around and look at the different things they offer. But we love this. We love this meat, love this subscription. I love watching the member deals, and just can't speak highly enough about this company either. They have great customer service. They ship their meat really well. As you can probably tell, like, everything is still frozen. We have one time, I think, through the life of our membership, and we've been doing this for, I should actually look, but I feel like it's been 2 to 3 years, at least 2 years. But for the life of our membership, there's only been one time where the meat arrived and it wasn't frozen. It was still cold enough that my husband and I weren't worried. We double checked everything, so it was still cold enough, but it wasn't frozen, and that was in the summer. And I will say they gave us an email notification that our box was delayed, and that if we had any problems or the meat wasn't cold enough, that we could let them know and they would replace it. So we haven't actually had to do that yet, but I've heard of other people having a good experience when that would happen. But it is rare. Like I said, most of the time we get it and it's all still completely frozen. So yeah, like I said, I can't speak highly enough about this company and the quality of their meat. We absolutely love it. So try it out with my link below if you want to. Let me know if you have questions. I'm more than happy to help you find the answers you need if this is something you're considering. All right, you guys, well, thank you so much for watching this unboxing video with me, and I will talk to you in the next one. Bye.